Hey, English learners, welcome back to the EasySpeak English podcast, your warm and friendly space to improve your English through real conversations. I'm John, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked back at a whole year and thought, wow, where did the time go? If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Claudia, and I'm so excited to be here again. John, that question hits deep. Sometimes life feels so busy, but later you can't remember much.
Exactly. And today we're not here for one-day motivation. We're talking about making a decision for a whole year, not a perfect year, not a stressful year, but a real, human, doable year.
Yes, a year you actually feel proud of when you look back.
Right. So let's start with something honest. Many people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they live on autopilot. They wake up, react to messages, rush through the day, scroll at night, and suddenly the year feels blurry.
Blur is the perfect word. It's like your days are full, but not memorable.
Exactly. It's like taking photos with a dirty camera lens. You take many pictures, but none of them feel clear.
And when that happens, people usually blame themselves.
Yes, but here's the truth. Blur is not a failure. It's a signal. It's your mind saying, hey, something needs to change.
So, what usually causes this blur?
Reaction mode. That's the real problem. Reaction mode means you live by reacting, not choosing. Notifications, messages, other people's needs. Everything pulls your attention.
My brain feels like a browser with too many tabs open.
Same here. And when too many tabs are open, everything slows down. Even good habits, like English practice, feel heavy.
That's so true. You sit down to study, then your phone buzzes, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone.
Exactly. So the solution is not being tougher. It's creating small pauses. One breath before you click. One pause before you reply.
Those tiny pauses help you notice something important.
Yes, the quiet drain. The one habit that slowly steals your time and energy.
Like doom scrolling, overthinking, late nights.
Mine was overthinking. I replayed conversations again and again. At night, my body was tired, but my brain was running a marathon.
Burnout without moving. That's real.
So, instead of fixing everything, we choose one drain and reduce it, not punish ourselves, just cut back.
And when you cut back, you get energy back.
Yes, and energy is everything because discipline without energy doesn't work.
It's like trying to drive a car with an empty tank.
Exactly. So, in 2026, we protect energy, like money, sleep, less mental, load, less leaking, evenings.
Once energy is stable, we can talk about consistency.
Right. And this is where the minimum honest day comes in. Not a perfect day, just the smallest win you can repeat even on bad days.
Like 10 minutes of English or a short walk.
Yes, small enough to do, big enough to count.
And small wins create momentum.
Exactly. Momentum is progress. That starts helping you instead of fighting you.
But even with a baseline, you'll miss days.
And that's normal. The real skill is not never failing. It's restarting fast.
I love that. No waiting for Monday.
Yes, same day reset. 5 minutes, one small action.
That builds resilience.
And resilience is what makes the year different, not big speeches. Just coming back again and again.
So, what's next?
Micro courage, one small brave moment a day.
Not huge bravery, just daily bravery.
Exactly. Send the email. Ask one question. Say no once.
Those moments change your identity.
Yes, not from motivation, from action.
But courage needs protection.
That's where boundaries come in. Without boundaries, goals don't survive.
Boundaries don't need anger. They need calm resolve.
And to make it easier, we design our environment. Make bad habits harder, good habits easier.
Change the room, and the room changes you.
Exactly. And finally, we need direction, one word for the year.
A personal compass.
Yes, not a cute word, the word you actually need.
And a simple scoreboard.
Because feelings lie, actions don't.
That's how the year stops blurring.
And that's your turn to win. Before we go, remember this. A year doesn't change with big promises. It changes with small, repeatable choices.
And we're really proud of you for staying with us today.
This was the Easy Speak English podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Claudia.
And don't forget, tomorrow at 7 p.m., we're waiting for you. See you then.